Let's be honest, for a normal human being, creating a WhatsApp chatbot sounds like a nightmare. You think of complex coding, servers, and developers. But what if I told you that you could have a fully functioning WhatsApp chatbot that works for your business 24/7 and you can create it in just 10 minutes? So today I'm going to walk you through an amazing tool called Pabbly Chatflow. If you are running a small business or a large company, this tool is game changer. It interacts with your users on WhatsApp without you touching your phone, welcoming them, sharing them the information, and closing leads 24/7. And the best part, you can create this without writing a single line of code. Once you understand the flow of a conversation, you can build this with ease. See, if you are an existing user of Pabbly, then it's perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. Now here's the craziest part. Once you've done the sign up process, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software. It's a perfect way to test things out without spending money. After doing the sign up process, you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you enter the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, the very first step is to connect your WhatsApp number. And trust me, this is one of the easiest setup ever. Simply follow the connection process and your WhatsApp number will be connected successfully. After connecting it, your dashboard will look something like this, as the number is going to be appear here. Now on the left hand side, you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow. But today we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flows feature. Now welcome to the Pabbly Chatflow flow builder. This is where the magic happens. See, by using this tool, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot flow. I have already created some. See, this is the flow of the real estate business. This is for the travel agencies, and this is for the restaurant. And trust me, the creation process of these flow is the easiest thing that I have ever done. It is only made possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now I'm going to explain you the most common parts that are used in almost every chatbot flow. And honestly, once you understand this logic, you can customize the chatbot for your own business very easily, because whether it's a real estate chatbot, restaurant chatbot, or a travel agency, the core logic remains same. You just customize the messages according to your business needs. So now let's understand these common building blocks. At first, for creating a new flow, you just have to click on this plus add flow button. And this page is going to be appear in front of you, where at first you have to select the trigger event. It will provide you multiple types of trigger events. I am selecting it as in keyword. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that the user will send to me. For adding a keyword, you just have to enter the word and press enter. This is how easily you can add keyword. Now let's start with the welcome message. Suppose whenever the user will send any of these keywords to your WhatsApp chatbot, and you want that your chatbot will automatically greet your users. So for that, you just have to simply add this text button from here and enter your message in this enter message box. For example, hey, looking to buy your dream property or invest smartly? What are you looking for? And not only this, you can also add buttons below the message to make the conversation more interactive. Just click on this plus add button and enter the button name here. After adding the button, with this text node, you can add 3 quick buttons. Here I added only one because my objective is only to teach you how you can create a chatbot flow inside Pabbly Chatflow. After setting up the welcome message, you have to connect the trigger point of this flow to this node. See, it is connected. And that's it. Your welcome flow is ready. Now after the welcome message, suppose you want to show multiple options professionally, just like this. So for that, you can use this list node. List message looks super clean on WhatsApp and improves the overall user's experience. Enter the message in the center body box. After that, click on this edge section and enter multiple types of options inside your list. You can customize this list node by filling these every fields just like this. After adding the list button, you just have to add a contact custom field node. See, I have uses this contact custom field. This is one of the most important part of chatbot building. I use the same nodes in this flow as well. So if you want your chatbot responses to become dynamic and personalized based on the user's input, then this set custom field node is extremely important. You can use contact custom fields to store user-specific details like name, email, budget, location, and many more. In fact, I have also used the contact custom fields in each of these flows just to make the conversation feel more natural and human-like. Because instead of sending robotic replies, the chatbots start responding based on the actual information provided by the user, and that creates a much better customer experience. Now suppose you want to send an image-based messages like this. So for that, simply use this text button. After that, enter the message in this enter message box, and next click on this plus add content button. After that, select the content type as media from here and select the media type as image, and next upload the image from your gallery. And this is how easily you can do the setup of this type of image based messages in real time. It looks like this, as your chatbot will automatically send rich media messages directly on WhatsApp. Now comes to the another very important part. Suppose you want to ask questions from your users like what's your name, what's your budget, contact number, and many more. So for that, simply add this ask a question node from here and enter the question in this enter message box. As here I have added this by my choice, but you can give it completely based on your own business. After that, select the contact custom field from here that I am selecting as date and the format is any. This is how easily you can customize this question node, and just connect the question node with this media node and just make the connection. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. After adding this, see in this flow I added 3 questions. Means in this question node I ask my user for the date, that when they would like to book a site visit, and in this I ask about their full name, and for the last I ask about their contact number. See in this case I have selected the format as text because the name should always in the format of text. Next, the number of attempts. Now let's understand the number of attempts. This basically defines how many retry attempts the chatbot will give to the user if they enter the wrong format. For example, if I set the format as text but users reply in the format of number or invalid data, then chatbot can ask the questions again automatically. And for that we used validation message. For adding a validation message, you have to increase the number of attempts, and for this case you can use the validation message like please enter your full name in the correct format. So whenever the user enters the wrong input, the chatbot will send them a validation message and asks the question again. But in my case, I am setting the number of attempts as 0. That means no retry attempts are required. And lastly, if you want to send a customized message using user data, simply use this dollar symbol before the contact custom field like this, that dollar symbol plot type, date, full name, and the contact number. With the help of this, automatically the chatbot replaces the user's input in this place, just like this. And this is exactly what makes the chatbot feel smart, personalized, and human-like. And after the completion of your flow, you just have to click on the save button. So this is how easily you can create a powerful WhatsApp chatbot flows using Pabbly Chatflow without writing a single line of code. The logic behind each of these flows is the same as I simply added the buttons from these messages and actions. And a little bit one more input, that in this flow I have used my trigger event as template selected because I want to make this chatbot different. That's why I have set the trigger event as template. You can also create a template by going in this templates feature. I have already created a separate detailed video of each of these flows. If you want the video link, then comment it. I will share it with all of you guys. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while understanding this flows concept, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot flow by using Pabbly Chatflow. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing tool for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offer. Trust me, this is exclusively for my viewers, so grab it as soon as possible. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.